Alright, so here it is, Christmas Day. We got the, anybody looking for headers for their F-150s, this is the JBA for the 5 liters, stainless. Just do a little unboxing. Take a look at the welds. Look nice. I think they look pretty good. The only thing that I will be doing is getting different gaskets. I'm not going to use their gaskets, I don't think they're metal. Maybe we'll pull those out and take a look too. So there they are, stamped. I do wish they would have thrown a weld around there. I don't really love that. Right in here, see. But I am going to put them on, so I'm going to be doing quite a few upgrades to the F-150. It's a 2019 F-150 5 liter, so if you're interested in upgrading and the reports that I give you, feel free to subscribe. The other thing that I will be doing is switching over to AMSOIL. So I'll do a video on that when I do my oil change. I'll do a before and after run. They claim it makes the motor run smoother, less noise, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to try that out. I'm going to start the truck up before I change the oil, do all that. Anyways, back to our unboxing here. Okay, so there we go. We got our header bolts. Nothing too exciting. And I wanted to check these out. Okay. So there's our gaskets. Let's take a better look at these gaskets. They are so yeah. Take a look at the instructions. Well, no pictures, so nothing for you guys to see. Flip them over. Well, maybe there was some install pictures. It's just a whole lot of reading, so that's more for me. Anyways, there they are. I thought I'd show you guys my unboxing of my Christmas present. Let's have a good look. And yeah, I will be putting them on. I'm not too sure when, but I'll definitely be posting that video of some of the install, and I'll do a little report of what I think once I put them on. I'd like to get a cold air intake before I put these on. I already have an exhaust on the truck. And yeah, so anyways, if you guys want to watch me upgrade this truck and the information that I have to offer, or any information that you guys could offer me as well on some tips or what you think, feel free to comment below. Again, if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.